Alright guys, today we're at Powerton Cooling Lake. We are fishing from the bank because it is windy today. It's going to be blowing 20 miles an hour. Right now it's like 15 I think, but it's going to be blowing 20 miles per hour later.
Boat season ended yesterday here.
Oh yeah, and also 20 miles an hour winds here feels like 30 miles an hour because we're on a small little island thingy that makes the wind feel super strong. So yeah, but we got some nice pulls. We got some new rods. We got a new Hellcat rod. We got a new Mad Cat rod. And we got some heavier line. So we got some chunks of drum. Go back. This blue rod right here is a drum head. That Hellcat rod has a back tail chunk. Green rod over there has a drum body chunk. The Mad Cat has a small drum body chunk. So let's see what we can get. Stay tuned. Yep. Oh my gosh, this one's yeah, this one's really nice. This one is really nice. Yeah, it's probably like a 20-pound fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, yep, this is a really nice fish. He almost ripped drag on that line.
On the new rod.
Yeah, he almost ripped drag on that. It's heavy braid. This is some heavy line too. This is Mississippi River tackle.
Yeah, but I didn't set the drag at 45 pounds.
Well, yeah.
Oh, got something.
Yeah, it's a really nice one. 20. Oh, jeez. Oh, rip and drag. Jeez. Is it big? Man, he is not as big as I thought. Yeah, I just thought he was a lot bigger than that. The way he was pulling, man, he was fighting good. Oh, geez, it might be 20.
Get it on so I can strength that on.
He's just laughing at himself. Oh, very
Likes
good.
water.
About 22?
22, so
22.
right on the
19. Yep. 19 pounds, nice fish.
Here we go, folks. We are out at Powerton, first fish early in the day. Nice 19-pound blue, put up a heck of a good fight. Caught him on the new rod. The kid is on fire. Didn't bring the boat today because of the wind. You might be able to hear it. I'm trying to protect that because we like good content on this channel. So hey, woo! Kid just got face slapped. Powerton fishing, baby. That one fisherman. Boom! Catching pigs.
Here's the release.
You ready?
Yep. Oh my gosh, something broke or something. That was giant. That had the rod folded, ripping drag.
Broke?
It might have broke.
Still tight?
Dude, it was all the way down, just peeling and peeling and peeling. And then it popped up. Yes.
Broke off?
Yes, and that was a small bait too. Jeez, that was a giant fish, guys. Guys, that fish broke the whole setup.
Yep.
That thing was a giant. That thing was huge.
All right, let's get the other rod out.
Yep, got him. May not be like the last fish that got away, but it's a fish. Oh, geez, okay. Trying to pull a little bit. This one ain't gonna be very impressive though, I don't think. Yeah. Unless he's just bolting towards me right now. He just popped off, I think. Yeah, he just popped off. Yeah. Another dinker channel cat. That is all he can catch at this point.
Didn't even catch it in his mouth.
No. He can catch something else than this.
Another channel cat.
In the eye.
Yep, missed his mouth again.
Yeah.
The darndest thing.
Dang channel. Sean, that's. Oh my gosh. No, it's still on. Dude, that's fish, alright. Oh, yeah, some puck's gone, I think. This fish is super bad. That was a good time. Yeah. No. Okay, it's still on. There's a blue. Yeah, it's good. Oh yeah. Oh, he's nice. Oh my gosh, he's really, really big. He is really, really big. He just ripped my drag. This might be big. This could be biggest of the day. He's running this way. You gotta get over here now. Oh my gosh, dude, you gotta get over here. Is big. Oh my gosh, this is super big. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge. Told you the dang Ziploc bag idea would work. Wow.
20, so 17. 20.5. So...
Alright guys, 17.5 pound fish. Nice fish.
Folks, we're ending the day with the second biggest fish of the day. coming in at 17.5 pounds, catching pigs out here at Powerton, getting slapped in the face. That's what we do out here, that one fisherman catching pigs at Powerton. We gotta run to the gate, so we gotta keep this creek. The gate is closed and we gotta go. Love you guys, like, subscribe, share. Woo, see ya!
Yep, there it goes.